So this is a Bluetooth speaker from Tribit. I don't know, some people say Tribit or Tribit. So this is a Tribit Stormbox Pro, which is a Bluetooth speaker, portable wireless speaker. So I have seen quite a few reviews online and as well as in YouTube also from other content creators, and I was really impressed by the sound quality and the reviews which this speaker has. So this video will include the unboxing of this speaker and some initial sound impressions, and I will be posting a sound demo also within this video only, so how these speaker sounds. So let's open it, guys. So this is the box. As per box, these are IP67 waterproof, Bluetooth 5.3, stereo and party mode, long battery life. As per the website, this speaker has up to 24 hours of battery life. So these are some documentations, manual. USB A to USB-C. And that's it. So this is the speaker, and I think this is the power button, volume up and down, and this is X bass. I don't know how does it work, and Bluetooth button. So it has a handle also. This is fabric actually, and the base is rubberized, so it does not slip. And this is USB port, which is also output 5 volts, 1 ampere. You can charge your phone from this. And this is a USB-C for charging this speaker. So let's pair it, guys. So I will use my tablet to pair the speaker. So Bluetooth is already on, and so the speaker is paired now, and I think you need application also. I think they have application, so let me check. Yep. So let me just log in. So yeah, now I've already logged in, and let's connect to the speakers. So now the speakers are already connected to the Tribit application, and a new firmware version is also available. and you have equalizer options, different equalizer options. Like music, X bass, audiobook, classic, rock, party, and then you can customize equalizer also. So here you can customize. And then settings. So let's just upgrade the firmware. So firmware is upgraded. So this was the unboxing of the speaker and overview how to set up these speakers. And so next you will hear the sound demo of the speakers using my binaural jig. So let's hear it, guys. So this is how I'm gonna record the sound demo for the speakers. So this is the Tribit speaker, and this is my homemade binaural jig. So the microphones are connected with the XLR inputs to the audio interface. So I'm gonna use these, and this is the approximate distance between the recorder and speaker, so that you can hear the sounds clearly. And one more thing, I'll be using flat equalizer in this sound demo, and I'll be switching X bass, this one, randomly during the sound demo, so that you can hear the difference between the X bass on and off. And also in this sound demo, I'll be playing Indian instrumental music as well this time, so with all classic instruments, so that you can analyze the sound clearly, and you can feel the surround sound of these speakers as well. So let's start the audio demo, guys.
Re लागे नहीं कहीं ओ नजर